welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate your support. As you know guys, we are in Mallorca, so I'm going to give you our room tour with Alicia. Come with me. So this is our little hallway. When you get in, I didn't go outside, so it's just like our room is very small, so it's just a little hallway. And then when you come here, we actually haven't unpacked. We have our two wardrobe. What is it called? I can't say cabinet. We have a cabinet, or we have a wardrobe where we can put our stuff in. And then over here we have a big mirror. You know, we love a good mirror for pictures. When you come, you have this whole setup. Obviously we have our luggages here because, as I already said, we just arrived. So when you're coming, we have this little table and a chair and the TV. I have no idea if there are any nice channels, but yeah, that's what we have. And then I'm gonna do the bathroom lastly. The interesting part comes now. Come with me, come with me. Ta-da! Have the nice view, guys. Check this out. Our nice balcony with the nicest view. I honestly don't know if you can hear me, it's so windy, but I wanted to show you this beautiful view. We're going to have so much fun. We are going to have so much fun, but anyway, there's nothing else to show. We have a table for two and two chairs. We're going to chill here, take pictures, as you already know. What else? Come with me and I'll show you the bathroom. And then over here we have our bed. As you can see, it's for two. And then we have the side table and the side lamp. And very important, because we're going to be calling for them to bring us some breakfast, you know. And then lastly, I'm going to show you the bathroom. So when you come in, we have a big mirror with a hair dryer, but obviously I don't know if you're gonna need that. Of course we're going to need it for the braids. And they prepared two glasses for brushing the teeth. And we have some towels over here. Is it a drawer? There's a drawer. I think it's also for towels or anything, makeup and stuff. And then over here we have the resting room, you know, usual things, nothing new, you already know what's in there. In the shower, there's honestly nothing special, it's just a normal shower. So yeah guys, this is our room tour. There's really nothing else to show. It's a small video for the room tour. It's a small room, but I think it's very beautiful. We love the balcony, we love the view, it's so nice. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. Let me know if you enjoyed watching this video by commenting in the comment section box. Like this video by smashing the like button, share to your friends, share to the people that also want to come to Mallorca. You know, they might want to see how the room looks like. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye.